Welcome back. So, what we are going to study in this session now? We are going to study about the types of plants. About the types of plants. Right, children? It is very important lesson, children. Right? Plants. What are the plants, children? The trees and the small plants which we see in our surrounding. In our surrounding, they are the plants, right? Green. Yes, you know the plants. See, yes, there are small plants, there are big trees. Big one is known as a tree. Right? And this small one is known as a plant. This small one is known as a plant, and this big one is known as a tree, right? So children, you see these plants and trees in our surrounding, right? है ना, देखते हो ना आप लोग, हमारे आसपास में बहुत सारे प्लांट्स और बहुत सारे ट्रीज हम लोग देखते हैं. Yes. Okay. So children, we share our planet Earth with the plants and animals, right? We are the human being, right? हम लोग human being हैं and we share this planet Earth. ये जो हमारा Earth, ये जो planet है, we share this with the plants and animals and so many another creatures, right, children? So in this session we will learn about the plants. So as I told you, plants are big as well as they are small, right? Okay. So children, you know, plants are the living things. Plants are the living things. पता है? Plants में भी जान रहती है. How? Because they grow. वो बड़े होते हैं ना हमारी तरह. Yes, they grow. They are living. उनमें भी जान रहती है. Yes, they are living things. So children, you know, they also eat. है ना, जैसे हम लोग खाना खाते हैं, we breathe. वैसे ही like that only plants also breathe air. Plants also breathe air. Yes. और क्या चाहिए हमको to be life? We need a water. Yes. Plants also need a water. Plants को भी water चाहिए होता है. अगर हम लोग plants को water नहीं देंगे, what will happen? They will die. Yes. जैसे कि हमको भी water चाहिए. If we don't get a water for a long time, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम तक अगर हमको नहीं मिला water, we will also die, right? So children, plants also need air to breathe. They need water to drink. And what they eat? क्या खाते वो लोग? They eat sunlight, children. You know, they eat sunlight. जो sun का light होता है ना, वो लोग उसको खाते हैं. Yes. So what do plants need? Plants need air. Plants need water. And plants need sunlight to live and grow. और grow होने के लिए उनको ये सारी चीज़ें चाहिए. क्या क्या चाहिए? Air, water and sunlight. Okay children? Yes. Okay. Now we will talk about the parts of the plant. Parts of the plant. Children, any of the plant, कोई भी plant है, उसके parts होते हैं. कौन से parts होते हैं? Flower, उसमें flower होता है. Then it has a leaf. It has a stem. It has a root. Now I will show you. Okay? See. You can see this white lines. Yes, ground के नीचे, ज़मीन के नीचे जो white lines है ना, they are the roots. They are the roots, children. Right? और then ज़मीन के ऊपर वाला जो ये part है, this part is a stem. This part is known as a stem. Okay? और ये क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस ग्रीन? ग्रीन कलर्ड? यस, इट इज अ leaf. It is a leaf. Okay. And what is this, children? You know this. This is a flower. This is a flower, right? And some of the plants also have fruit, right? Some of the plants also have fruit. Yes. Okay. So, what are the important parts of the plant, children? रूट, राइट, दिस इज अ रूट जो जमीन के नीचे होता है ना? वाइट कलर, आप कोई प्लांट को निकाल के देखो, उसके नीचे वाइट कलर के होते हैं ना, राइट? सो दे आर दी रूट्स. और जमीन के ऊपर जो होता है वो होता है स्टेम. ये वाला क्या है? स्टेम. ओके. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ लीफ. दिस इज अ leaf. Okay, and what is this, children? This is a flower. Flower. Okay. Yes. So children, plants भी different types के होते हैं, right? They are of different types. You can see the different types of plants. सब एक जैसे होते हैं क्या? नहीं ना? They are different. Some are small, some are big, some are very strong, some are very weak. Okay, so I will show you the types of plants. Now see, children, this big type of a plant is known as a tree. This big one is known as a tree. So this is a tree, children, which is very strong. Trees are very strong, right? They have a strong stem. They have a strong stem. Okay. Now another one is a shrub. They are known as a shrub, which are small in height. They too have a strong stem. Okay. Next is a herbs. Next one is a herbs, right? Herbs have a weak stem. उनका जो स्टेम होता है, दे आर वेरी वीक. ओके. देन देयर आर क्लाइंबर्स. ओके. इसके बारे में हम लोग और इन्फॉर्मेशन लेंगे. बट व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स, चिल्ड्रन? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, रिवाइज इट. ट्रीज, shrubs, herbs, climbers. Trees, shrubs, herbs and climbers. Okay, right? And creepers. One more is creepers. Okay. Yes. Now see, now what are the trees, children? Trees are the biggest type of plant on the earth. सबसे बड़ा प्लांट कौन सा होता है? Trees. Trees are the biggest type of plants. Okay. Trees have a very strong stem. उनका जो stem होता है ना, that body part is very strong. It is also called as a trunk, right? Elephant का trunk होता है ना, it is also called as a trunk. The stem of a tree is also called as a trunk. उसको trunk भी बोलते हैं. Trees have a very strong stem, right? Trees has many branches. Trees के बहुत सारे branches होते हैं. आप बड़ा सा tree देखोगे, you can see so many branches are there, है ना? बहुत सारे different branches होते हैं उनके. Yes, and trees have so many leaves on it. हाँ, trees के ऊपर बहुत सारे leaves भी होते हैं ना. पेड़ देखा ना आपने trees, तो उसमें बहुत सारे leaves होते हैं. And trees bear fruits. So children, trees have branches, trees have leaves, and trees bear fruits. Trees पे fruits भी होते. Example, apple tree, right? Example, apple tree. Then a mango tree, right? Apple tree, then a mango tree, right? Okay. So इसमें क्या होता है, ब्रांचेस होते हैं, फ्रूट्स होता है, राइट? यस, ओके, यस. सो चिल्ड्रन, trees, what it gives us? It gives us fruits. trees क्या देते हैं हमको? बड़े बड़े जो trees होते हैं, they gives us fruit. Yes, and also they gives us shade, है ना? जब हम लोग कहीं पे रास्ते में जाते रहते, बहुत थक जाते, इन अ हॉट समर डेज, बहुत गर्मी हो रही है, व्हाट वी डू, वहाँ पे अगर कहीं पे ट्री है तो क्या करते हैं हम लोग? यस, वी गो एंड सिट ओवर देयर, राइट? वहाँ पे जाके बैठते हैं ना ट्री के नीचे. व्हाई? बिकॉज ट्री गिव्स अस अ शेड, है ना? ट्री के नीचे बैठेंगे तो क्या होता है? इट गिव्स अस शेड एंड इवन इट गिव्स अस अ कूल wind, right? Yes, so we feel good, right? Whenever we feel so hot, right? So if we sit under the tree, we feel very nice, we feel cool, we get a cool wind over there, right? And we get a shade, है ना? shade मिलता है ना tree के नीचे. So it gives us fruits to eat and shade that we sit under on a hot summer day. Okay, so trees gives us shade also. And another, what are the uses? You know children, trees makes a furniture. Yes, trees makes a furniture. In your house you have a table, you have a chair, you have a wooden cupboard, right? All these are made up of trees. ये किससे बना होता है? trees से. Yes, all the wooden things are made up of trees, like your school bench. Yes, your desk, you go to the school में जाते वहाँ पे चेयर होती है, right? उस पे आप डेस्क पे बैठते हो. It is made up of trees. वो भी trees से बनता है. Yes, and trees like coconut tree, है ना? If we talk about a coconut tree, it gives you the oil, है ना? You put it on your hair, right? And in a southern area, people use it in making a food, right? So trees gives us oil. It helps us to make a furniture. Yes, and what we do out of it, more things. Trees are very much helpful, children. Each and every part of trees are helpful. Yes, it gives us fruit, it gives us oil, it gives us helps to make a furniture, right? So trees are very much helpful. Okay children? Yes, now we'll talk about shrubs. Now what are the shrubs? Shrubs are the smaller plants, ठीक है? And they are weaker than tree. वो लोग थोड़ा सा ट्री से वीक होते हैं. They are small, not very small. They are small, but they are weaker. थोड़े से कमज़ोर होते हैं, थोड़े से वीक होते हैं than the trees. Okay? They too have a hard stem. उनका जो स्टेम होता है वो हार्ड होता है. It is hard, not that soft नहीं रहता. ठीक है? Example, rose bush. Right? The rose is what? It is a shrub. Rose is what? Rose plant is a shrub. It has a hard stem, but it is smaller than tree. लेकिन वो tree से small होता है. ठीक है? Now next is a herb. Herb क्या है? Herb is a small plant with a weak and soft stem. और उसका जो stem होता है, it is very weak. राइट? जैसे कोरिएंडर है ना, घर पे कोरिएंडर लाते हैं हम लोग. सो दिस इज अ स्मॉल प्लांट विथ अ वीक होता है. वो थोड़ा सा उतना हार्ड नहीं होता. इट इज सॉफ्ट स्टेम. कोरिएंडर, मिंट, है ना, पुदीना, कोरिएंडर. यस, ऑल दीज वर्ड आर दी मिंट, बे लीफ, ठीक है, बेसिल. ओके, सो ऑल दीज आर दी herbs, children, and they have a medicinal use too, children. Yes, उनका मेडिसिन में भी यूज होता है. जो भी herbs होते हैं ना, herbs are used in a medicines, making a medicines. Okay, next is the climbers. Climbers क्या होते हैं? Climb करना मतलब क्या होता है? Yes, climbing. So climbers are the weak plants. They are very weak. They cannot stand their own. They cannot stand their own. वो खुद से खड़े नहीं रह सकते. So they need a support to climb. उनको क्लाइम करने के लिए they need a support children, right? उनको support की ज़रूरत होते हैं. So क्या करते हैं वो? They cannot stand, right? So what they do? They take a support of a strong plant around them. उनके आसपास कोई strong plant है तो they take a support and they climb. Right? Yes. So okay. So creepers. Next are the creepers. Creepers are like climbers. ये भी कैसे होते हैं? Climbers की तरह होते हैं. They are also weak. They are also weak plants and they creep. They don't take a support. वो लोग ऊपर की तरफ सपोर्ट करके क्लाइंब नहीं करते. वो क्या करते हैं? नीचे. हाँ, नीचे की तरफ वो क्या करते हैं? They grow on the ground. They grow on the ground like watermelon, है ना? वाटरमेलन का देखा है आप लोगों ने? Yes. So they grow on the ground and they are also weak. They have a weak stem. They are known as creeper. Creeping करना होता है creep. Like baby कैसे crawling करता है, creeping करता है, तो they creep on the ground. Okay children. So you understood? Okay, you understood types of plants? कौन से थे? बोलो. Trees. Types of plants are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Okay, all these are the types of plants. ठीक है, इसमें सबसे strong क्या है? Trees, right? Okay. So children, as I told you, like trees are very much helpful to us. है ना? Trees से क्या क्या मिलता है? What do we get from plants? We get a food like rice. We eat a rice. We eat a दाल. We eat a vegetables. है ना? हम लोग vegetables खाते हैं, दाल, राइस. We eat a चपाती. ये सब किस कहाँ से मिलता है? Yes, we get it from the plant. ये सारा हमको plant से मिलता है. We get it from the plants children. So plants are very useful. Like we get fruits. We eat fruits like mango. We apple. ये सब कहाँ से मिलता है? Plant से. Yes, we get this also from a plant. We get a fiber. Fiber means clothes. We get a fiber. See, ये जो मैंने पहना है ना? Whatever I have worn this clothes. And you have on everything we get from the trees, from the plants, cotton plants, right? And some another plants also. Yes, so we get a fiber. Fiber means what? The clothes. We get it from the plants. Yes. And what we get? We get a cooking oil, coconut oil. We get a sunflower oil, we get a groundnut oil, we get a mustard oil. Whatever oil we use, जो भी oil हम लोग ना मम्मी यूज़ करती है for making a food, we get it from a plants. वो भी हमको plants से मिलता है, right? Every oil we get it from a plants children. Yes, we get a perfume, right? मम्मी and पापा जो परफ्यूम लगाते हैं we get it from a plant. Yes, flowers of a plant. Okay. Yes, we get a paper. Yes, you write on a notebook पे लिखते हैं. You read on a textbook हम लोग read करते हैं. Newspapers, everything. तो सारे papers कहाँ से बनते हैं? Yes, it is made up of a trees children. It is made up of a trees. ये सारे papers सारे कहाँ से बनते हैं? Trees से. So children, and very 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 important use of a tree. सबसे important use of a plant and a tree is it is very useful to us. Why? Because it gives out oxygen. Yes, हमको हम लोग ऐसे ब्रीथ करते हैं ना, तो अंदर क्या लेते हैं? वी इनहेल ऑक्सीजन. वी इनहेल ऑक्सीजन एंड इट इज़ वेरी मच यूजफुल चिल्ड्रेन. ऑक्सीजन होना चाहिए. ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिलेगा, वी कैन डाई आउट ऑफ इट, राइट? सो who gives you the oxygen? Trees. Trees gives you the oxygen. So trees are very much important children, right? To live. Okay. And trees are also the home to animals. हमारे लिए तो वो अच्छा है ना? For human beings, because it gives the oxygen and we breathe it, right? Yes. And it is also the home of animals. Animals and such as squirrels and birds. Birds क्या करते हैं? They make their nest. And so many animals lives on a tree like monkey. है ना? वो लोग कहाँ पे रहते हैं? उनका home क्या है? Trees. वो लोग trees पे रहते हैं. And birds जो है, birds तो obviously trees पे रहते हैं. They stay on the tree. They make their nest. Nest बनाते हैं ना वो लोग अपना? Yes. So and so many insects. छोटे छोटे insects जो होते हैं ना children, they also lives on a tree. छोटे मोटे insects, birds, animals. So trees are helpful for everyone, for human being, for animals, for birds, for insects, for each and every creature. It is helpful. It is very much useful for planet Earth. We are living on this planet Earth. It is very much useful. So what we should not do children? We should not cut them. We should not cut the trees. We never cut the trees and we should in fact plant more trees. हमको क्या करना चाहिए? We should plant more trees, right? Yes. So what will happen? The world will become healthier and cleaner place to live, right? If you plant more and more trees, the world will become beautiful. The world will become healthier and a cleaner place, right children? Yes. Why? Because trees are helpful for every living being. Okay. So trees are very much important. We should never cut them. We should plant more and more trees. Okay. So you are going to plant the tree, right now only. You have to plant a small plant on in your balcony. Okay. And send the pics to me. Okay. Yes. So plant any of the plant. You can have any of the small one. Take some of the soil and plant any of the plant. Okay. Yes. And send me the pics. Okay children. So our session is over. Meet you in the next session. Bye bye.